probably like one of my favorite looks I've done in a long time. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Asia Deani here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Put the notification bell on so that you don't miss any more of my uploads. I was just doing my makeup and I said, you know what, since I have not used this palette yet and you know done any looks with it, I'm gonna just turn it into, you know, kind of like a tutorial review, if you will. This is the BH Cosmetics palette, but it's the Royal Affair one. I've never seen it before, so I decided let me get this and let me try it out on camera with you guys. So if you want to see how I got to this, then just keep on watching and let's just get into this video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna start out with my eyes. So I'm gonna take some Maybelline concealer and I'm gonna prime, well, I'm gonna prep my eyes. I'm gonna use this as like a little base so that all of these colors can show up. I don't know how pigmented they are and I don't want to chance it and, you know, have anything looking crazy. So we're gonna prime this lid first. Okay, so the first color I want to go in and use as my transition shade is this color down here in the corner, and it's called Primrose. It's like a peachy orange color, and I love those colors for, you know, transition shades. So we're gonna take some of that, and I'm using a little Wet n Wild fluffy brush to blend this in. I want this look to be very bright, so I know I want to use this color, and this right here, but I don't know how I want to use it yet. So let me see. I'm gonna take this green color right here, and this is called Crown, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid, and we're gonna make something shake. Ooh, yes, it's like a highlighter. In the palette, it looks like a green, like a pickly green kind of color, but on my lid, it's like a really pretty highlighter color. Called Throne, and it's called Throne. I'm gonna take this light blue and I'm gonna use that to kind of blend this out. I feel like that blue would have showed up better if I had put it directly on my lid, like when I did my concealer. It didn't show up enough for me. I'm not mad at it, but it didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. So I'm like, I gotta find something else to put on here, because I'm trying to only use this palette. I'm not trying to dip into nothing else. So let me go into, we're gonna go into Monarch, and that's like a darker green color, which is right here, and I'm gonna use that to try to blend out. So I'm gonna go underneath my waterline with the color Monarch. And I don't know, I'm trying to decide if I want to do a wing or not. I don't know. These are Iconic lashes in the number 19. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna add some bottom mascara. Okay, so now let's get into my skin. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild primer, and this is the cucumber one. And I want you to just use this as my primer, my moisturizer, all that, because that's what it feels like, a freaking moisturizer. I love this primer now, y'all. And then you guys already know I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 128. And now taking some e.l.f. concealer in the color Fair. I'm going to use this to conceal my under eye area and my chin and my forehead. Y'all already know the routine, the drill. And to set that, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution's banana powder, and I'm going to set my face or all the places that I just put that concealer at. Okay, so I dusted off all that excess powder, so now I'm gonna just bronze up my face a little bit. I'm not gonna really contour too much. I just want to give myself like a little bit more color on my face. I'm looking real white right now. This foundation powder by Ruby Kisses in the color Mocha, and I'm gonna use this just to bronze up my skin a little bit. And take some Tarte highlight in the color Gleam and Burst. I'm gonna mix those two together, and that is what I've been using lately to get like a really nice glow. My nose, just to give me like that button nose effect. And bring a little bit up on the bridge of my nose. So for my lips, I kind of want them to be like pink, like kind of how they are now, even though I don't have anything on them at all. But I like how this looks, so I'm gonna try to find something in my little collection that can kind of, you know, make this work. So I'm gonna take this Milani lipstick in the color Peachy Pop, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna use this on my lips. Wait, first I'm going to line my lips. I almost forgot, y'all. Y'all already know I can't do no lip without my little brown liner. Probably like one of my favorite looks I've done in a long time. Like, this is not all how I thought this whole look would come out, but I'm very happy it came out like this. Like, this is so freaking pretty. I love this. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at TheAsiaDionna, the ASIADIONNA. So make sure y'all follow me. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Thank y'all for tuning in to me. Anybody who's new, like I said already, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.